Hello everyone, welcome back to Aman Babu tutorial. A complete solution for your study. आजको यस भिडियोमा हामी कक्षा 8 अंग्रेजी विषयका युनिट 12 अन्तर्गत रिडिङ 1 नेपाल्स बर्डम्यान पाठको सम्पूर्ण अभ्यास गर्नेछौँ। भिडियो राम्रो लाग्यो भने लाइक गरिदिनु होला, साथै यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरेर बेल आइकन थिचिदिनु होला। अब भिडियो सुरु गरौँ। Reading on. Look at the picture and answer these questions. What do you think the man's hobby is? Answer: the man's hobby is border. Number B. Do you have a similar hobby? What is it? Answer: yes, I have a similar hobby, that is visiting national parks and observing wildlife. Number A. Learn these words and complete the sentence with them. Number A. Nepal is known for her diversity of people, still there is harmony in them. Number B. Despite being successful, Krishna is an example of gentle lifestyle. Number C. The food was tasty. They enhance the flavor of food items by adding natural herbs. Number D. She encouraged women to start formal mentoring program in their companies. Number E. All the family members help her in nurturing her new baby. Number B. Choose the correct alternatives to fill in the gaps. Number A. Kaji Dai was a famous birder. Number B. Arthur and Sanuwal has earned his PhD. Number C. The writer became interested in becoming a birder while returning to Kathmandu from Pokhara. Number D. Which of the following is a false statement? Number 1 goes a false statement. Ornithological science in Nepal use modern technology for study. Here your statement galat ho. Number E. Which of the following organization did Kaji Dai not work for? WWF. Number C. Answer these questions. Number A. What make Kaji Dai a friend of Parsar Narayan Shrestha? Both Kaji Dai and Parsar Narayan Shrestha had a common hobby of birding. They both loved to explore the jungle together, so we can say that their friendship is because of the common hobby and interest in bird. Number B. Was the journey of Pokhara memorable one for the writer? How can you say so? Yes. Answer: yes. The journey to Pokhara was quite memorable for the writer. Kaji Dai's mentorship to the writer during the trip was the major factor for his interest in birds. Number C. Name the personality with whom the writer worked except Kaji Dai. Beside Kaji Dai. Answer: beside Kaji Dai, the writer also worked with Karan Sakaya, who was the then IUCN Commission of Education. Number D. Mention the areas BCN is working in at present. Answer: the area BCN is working at present are bird documentation, photography, research and conservation. Number E. Who is the donor of the Lumini Crane Sanctuary? World Wildlife Fund, WWF, Nepal, in partnership with International Crane Foundation and Lumini Development Trust, is the donor of Lumini Crane Sanctuary. F number. Do you like Kaji Dai? Why? Answer is I like Kajidai mainly because of his contribution in the field of bird conservation in Nepal. His helping attitude and willingness to mentor the people who show interest in bird also made me like him. Number D. Can bird watching be a good habit for a Nepali student like you? Discuss with your parents. Answer. In my opinion, bird watching can be one of the most interesting hobbies for a Nepali student like me. According to the record of Avifauna of Nepal, Nepal is a home of more than 915 species of unique birds. Varieties of birds are found in diverse topography like Tarai Hills and in the mountains. From an educational as well as from the entertainment point of view, birding is one of the worthy hobbies to pursue. It will promote love for nature and provide opportunity of adventurous hiking and traveling to unique landscapes. हामी speaking also number read the expression given below. Do they express like or dislike? Like dislike, write like or dislike at the end and practice saying them. Like एक्सपेक्ट गरिरहेछ कि डिसलाइक भनेको त्यो कुरा लेख्नु छ. नम्बर ए सी लभ प्लेइङ फुटबल लाइक. बी आई डोन्ट लाइक रन डिसलाइक. नम्बर सी आई एम क्रेजी अबाउट क्रिकेट लाइक. नम्बर डी सी डजन्ट लाइक गोइङ आउट एट नाइट डिसलाइक. नम्बर ई माई ब्रदर हेट्स इटिङ चकलेट्स डिसलाइक. नम्बर एफ माई फादर इज किन अन गार्डनिङ लाइक. नम्बर जी I love reading books very much like. Number B. Words in pair. Complete the dialogue with the suitable form of verb given in the bracket and act it out. Sang. Hi. Tutu. What are you doing? Johan. We are playing basketball. Do you want to play? Sang. No thanks. I don't like playing basketball. Sarah. Wow. I love playing basketball. It's great. John. What do you like to do? Pasang. Well, I enjoy riding bicycle. Sarah is. That's really fun. Pasang. And I like to dance. John. Dancing. I can't stand dancing. Sarah. But I prefer singing to dancing. Number C. Work in pair. Ask and answer the question about each other like and dislike using use the given clue. Listen to music. Pair मा गर्नु छ. Number A. यसले भन्छ do you like do you enjoy listening to music? B भन्छ yes I love listening to music. It's one of my favorite hobbies. Number B. Drawing. यसले भन्छ do you like drawing? B ले भन्छ I am crazy about drawing. I find drawing very relaxing and enjoyable. Number C. Watching television. Do you like watching television? No, I hate watching television. Number D. Working in the kitchen. Do you like working in the kitchen? No, I don't like working in the kitchen. Number E. Doing mathematics. Do you like doing mathematics? Yes. I love doing mathematics. Solving math question is something I really enjoy. अब हामी grammar 1. Copy number and copy the correct answer. Number A. I don't like going out at night. Number B. She learn to tell stories. C. I would like to come to the party. Number D. My grandfather enjoys people asking what he wants. E. She kept on talking during the film. Number F. I am learning to speak English nowadays. Number G. Do you mind giving me a hand? Number S. Munal helped me carry this load. Number I. I dislike waiting for people. Number J. They have finished preparing food. Come and eat. Number C. Fill in the gaps with correct form of the verb given in the bracket. Number A. Johan loves listening to music. Number B. Tina usually goes fishing at the weekends. Number C. We usually go swimming on Saturdays. Number D. He hates writing emails. Number E. Would you like to talk to the manager? Number F. Excuse me, I would like to pay the bill. Number G. I like to call her in the evening. Number H. She avoided talking to her neighbor. Number I. Mr. Thakuri agreed paying the debit on time. Number J. He admitted of stealing the money. I am writing also. Write an essay on my hobbies and interests. Include the answer of this question. क्वेशन आंसर ऐसे लेख्नु छ और यो क्वेशन आंसर पनि त्यसमा इन्क्लुड हुनु ल अब हामी हेर माई हबीज एन्ड इन्ट्रेस्ट. Hobbies and interest is some things you like to do during your free time. Hobby and interest can be of many types like drawing, reading novels, dancing, playing football, playing musical instrument. It is. I also have a few hobbies. They are dancing and drawing pictures. I enjoy it a lot while I get time to draw or to dance. When I have free time, I sit with pen and brush and begin to draw pictures. I like to take pictures of flower, village, mountain and flying bird. I may not be perfect in drawing, but it is the best pastime I feel like engaging. I have chosen this as my hobby because I feel relaxed when I draw a picture or when I paint. Playing with colors provides me energy. My parents also encourage me to draw. Encouragement is my nourishment. My next hobby is dancing. Sometimes when I am alone at my house, I listen to music and dance. I dance whatever way I can. I am right off all hesitation and same while I dance. After dancing, I feel refreshed instead of feeling tired. I think that I discover myself in my dance. I can confidently say that I will continue pursuing my hobbies at every step of my life. Pursuing our hobbies, interests make us a happy human being. We need to nurture our hobbies and interests. This makes us perfect in things we like to do. This makes us happier than before. Listening go number A. Look at the picture and answer this question. Number A. What do you think the lady is doing? Answer. The lady is sharing her hobbies and interests. Number B. What do you think she is talking about? Answer. She is talking about her hobbies and interests. What does she likes and what she doesn't like? Number B. Listen to the audio and take the correct answer. Number A. What type of exercise does the speaker like? Swimming. Number B. What does the speaker say when she will do in her new house? And many animals. Number C. Why does she like dancing to American music? Because she is good at it. Number D. Which of the following does the speaker dislike? Fruit, seafood. Number E. Why does the speaker dislike waiting? Because he is impatient. Number F. What is the talk about? Personal preferences. number 6. What are your preferences? Make a list or a mind map and talk to your friends about why you like them. My preferences are outdoor activity, reading, learning about culture, traveling, spending time with family and friends, trying new food, music, exercise, volunteering and learning. अब इसके बारे में पैराग्राफ लिखेंगे. I like outdoor activity because they keep me fit and healthy. I like reading English book because English is an international language and it helps me to understand and communicate with people from different parts of the world. Learning about different culture is fascinating because it broadens my perspective. Traveling is something I enjoy as it allows me to explore new places and meet new people. Spending time with family and friends is also important to me because it strengthens our bond. अरू यहाँ पार्ट छ त्यो पज गरेर लेख्न सक्नुहुन्छ. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.